Welcome to Best Choice. The best 3-step ladder is probably one of the most underrated tools in your home. From changing light bulbs to accessing those high shelves, a reliable step ladder is a game changer. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 3-step ladders, helping you find the perfect fit for your needs and ensuring your safety every step of the way. Number 5. Cosco Max Steel Work Platform. This work platform features an easy-to-use, one-hand lock and release latch. It folds up quickly, making it ideal for various household projects. You'll find it incredibly convenient. The project trays come with slots for tools, paint, and other project materials. This helps you stay organized while working. It keeps everything you need within easy reach. It has a large platform step with a slip-resistant tread design, along with slip-resistant feet. You can feel confident and secure while working at heights. This design ensures your safety. This platform meets ANSI standards for a Type 2 medium household workload duty rating of 225 pounds. It's designed to keep you safe during your tasks. You can trust its reliability. This work platform comes with a 10-year warranty. You can enjoy many years of reliable use with this sturdy platform. It's built to last. What we like. This work platform features an easy one-hand fold, making setup and storage a breeze. The integrated project trays keep your tools and materials organized, saving you time and effort. If you're tackling home improvement projects and need a stable, user-friendly platform, this is the one for you. What people say. The one-handle mechanism for opening and folding is very convenient. The tool tray is a nice feature also, so our main for this ladder is in a kitchen. Our cabinet uppers are 41.5 tall, so in order to reach these tall cabinets we need this ladder. Great sturdy ladder with nice wide steps, very sturdy. The two side railings are great to steady yourself. Number 4. Cosco 11408 PBL 1E3 Step Stool, Gray. This step stool is a must-have for any room in your house. It provides a helpful boost for reaching cabinets, closets, and tackling light cleaning tasks. It makes everyday chores easier. The stool is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can effortlessly move it from one job to the next, wherever you need a little extra height. You don't have to worry about damaging your floors. The leg tips are designed to be non-marring, so it won't scuff or leave marks on your surfaces. Safety is a priority, and this stool delivers. It features extra-large, slip-resistant steps, providing a secure and stable platform for you to stand on. The design includes continuous rear leg support, which enhances the overall stability. You can feel confident and secure while using it. What we like. This step stool is lightweight, making it easy to move around your home. The non-marring leg tips protect your floors from scratches. If you need a simple, safe, and portable step stool for everyday tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. It's very sturdy but not too heavy to move around from room to room. Easy to use, i.e. open and close. The steps are a good size to step on comfortably. Number 3. Cosco 3-Step Aluminum Folding Step Ladder. This ladder is built with lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum. It's easy to carry around. You can move it effortlessly. The ladder features non-marring leg tips. These tips protect your floors from scratches. It keeps the floor clean. It has a secure and stable platform with a slip-resistant surface. This design provides added safety. You can feel safe when you stand on it. The ladder folds flat for easy storage. It takes up minimal space when folded. You can store it conveniently. This ladder meets ANSI standards and is rated for 225 pounds. It's designed for medium household workloads. It's a reliable choice for your needs. What we like. This ladder boasts a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to carry and maneuver. The slip-resistant platform ensures your safety while working. If you're looking for a lightweight, safe, and easy-to-store ladder for various household tasks, consider this one. What people say. This step stool is solid. There is very little to no deflection with 195 pounds standing on the steps. The extruded aluminum side rails offer exceptional strength, support and stability. The top step is 33 to 12 inch above the floor and locks into place with a quick release latch for fold-up. The fold-up thickness is 4 to 12 inch, also the width of the tool tray that is 17 above the top step. The tool tray has a cutout for a 1-gallon paint can or 8-inch diameter wash pail. Advertised at less than 9 pounds, mine weighed in at 7.6 pounds, this is less than half the weight of the others you might see. Very lightweight and easy to carry. Super light and very sturdy. Number 2. Cosco 11137 PBL1E2 Step Folding Step Stool. This step stool is a must-have for any room in your house. It provides height assistance for reaching cabinets, closets, and doing light cleaning. The stool is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can move it from room to room for various tasks. It features non-marring leg tips, so you don't have to worry about scratches. This ensures your floors stay clean and undamaged. The step stool is designed with a slip-resistant step. This feature ensures your safety while you are using it. The stool has continuous rear leg support, providing excellent stability. You can feel confident and secure while standing on it. What we like. This step stool is essential for any room, providing height assistance for cabinets and closets. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry for multiple jobs. If you need a simple and portable step stool for everyday tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. It's built well and doesn't feel flimsy at all. It folds up so easily and takes up barely any room. It is very resistant, lightweight and easy to fold and store. Number 1. Cosco 3-Step Rolling Step Ladder, Gray. This ladder features a robust steel industrial frame, designed for commercial applications. It's built to withstand demanding use, ensuring durability and reliability in various work environments. With a 300 pounds duty rating and ANSI Type 1A certification, this ladder is built to handle significant weight. It provides a safe and secure platform for a variety of tasks. The steps are designed with slip-resistant surfaces, enhancing safety. This feature minimizes the risk of slips and falls, providing a secure footing while in use. Equipped with 4 durable casters, the ladder offers easy mobility. This allows you to effortlessly move it around, making it convenient for different projects. For added stability, the ladder incorporates 4 weight-activated suction cups. These cups ensure the ladder remains firmly in place during use, enhancing safety. It comes with a 10-year limit warranty, offering peace of mind. This warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in its quality and durability. The ladder provides a maximum reach of 7 feet 10 inches. This allows the user to access elevated areas with ease, making it ideal for various tasks. What we like. This rolling step ladder features a robust steel frame and a high weight capacity. The rolling casters allow for easy movement, while the weight-activated suction cups ensure stability when in use. If you need a heavy-duty, mobile ladder for commercial or home use, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Cosco 3-Step Ladder is lightweight and easy to move around. It folds up easily for storage. The steps are wide and provide a stable platform. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.